Hi kids, hi everyone, welcome to another video. This time I'm going to show you how to make a piñata. Can you see something in this word? Yes, that is the letter ñ. Remember, letter ñ is the only difference between the English alphabet and the Spanish alphabet. That is something very important that you have to know. So I know we are on quarantine, so we will work with some stuff that you can find easily at home. And of course, maybe you will need the help of your parents or maybe your brother or sister. So this activity is to know more about the cultures, the Mexican culture. So in this activity, you will find some Spanish words. The only thing you have to do is to write those words in your Spanish book in the section of vocabulary. Of course, you also have to write the meaning of those words. So now let's start with the piñata. So you will need one globo, harina de trigo. I'm using this brand, but you can use whatever you want. Also agua, periódico, tijeras, papel de colores, pinceles y pintura, hojas de papel blanco o recicladas. So first of all, we will start cutting the periódico in small pieces, just like this. After that, we have to mix harina and agua. We call this engrudo, okay? The engrudo works as a glue. So you can use your hands or something else to mix. I like to use my hands because it's very funny. Now we have to put a lot of engrudo just around the globo. And we have to start pasting periódico. We have to make several layers of periódico. So let me tell you something about piñatas. In Mexico, we use piñatas to celebrate almost everything, in special or birthdays. So it's very common to see a piñata in a birthday party with kids, adults, teenagers. Everyone can just play with piñatas. I remember when I was a kid, my father showed me, or show us, because it was to me and my brothers, how to make a piñata. So we spent a lot of time making piñatas just for fun. So don't cover all the globo with periódico because we have to leave a kind of hole at the end. Let's start cutting small pieces of hojas blancas. And here we can see the hole I was talking about. And we have to cover all the globo with white sheets con hojas blancas. And now we will start working with cones. Okay, so you need 3 white sheets, hojas blancas. You need 3 and you will paste one and another one and another one, 3 in total. And we will make a kind of cone. We have to make 4 cones
just like this.
So after 2 days outside, it has to look like this, and also like sounds like this, 4 cones. It doesn't matter if it looks like kind of dirty, okay? Don't worry about that. We will fix it in the next step. Okay, so now we will cut the cones following this line, okay? It means we have to do something like this.
Again, we will use engrudo to paste the cones to the globo, okay? So we will paste 4 cones to the globo. Remember, we have to use several layers of periodico to make the piñata stronger. And keep again outside during 1 day. After 1 day, we will start with the decoration. I am going to show you 3 different kind of decoration that you can use. The first one is about this color paper, this papel de colores. I have these. So the first thing we have to do is again put engrudo, and we will start pasting 1 line of color paper, 1 line of papel de color, and then another one, and then another one. Maybe you don't have this kind of paper, but you have another one. You can use it, don't worry, it's okay. I'm going to use 3 colors. You can use only 1 if you want. You can use more than 2 colors or more than 3 colors. Okay, it's up to you. It's your piñata. Use your imagination to create something. So now let's go with the second decoration. Is with paint. I will use rojo because it's my favorite color, but you can use more than 1. Also, I will use azul. So if you are good at drawing, you can draw something and you can use more colors. It's up to you. I am not good drawing, so that's why I'm using just color like this. So the third option is if you have several pieces of color paper that is like colorful or it looks nice, you can use it, okay? Remember, this is only grown if you don't try. So I will use some piece of papers to put at the end of the cone, so it will look like a star. So you have to put something inside the piñata. I'm using money, biscuits, popcorns, and candies. But you can put also fruits inside.
So now let's go with the rules about how to break a piñata. Because yes, there are rules. So you need something to cover your eyes. Now you need something to hit the piñata. And you have to move around this thing like for 10 times. Now it's to try to hit the piñata. Andres.